Hello and welcome to Yaclass. Today, I will be guiding you through the registration process on the website. This website can be used by teachers, by students, and by parents. If you want to learn more about how the site works, feel free to check out the information on our homepage. To get started, we are going to click on Sign Up for Free. You can register using your Facebook or Google account or with a Microsoft 365 account, but today I will show you how to register with an email address. Choose your gender and then choose the profile role that you want to create. You can choose a student account if you want to practice material and solve questions to improve your academic knowledge. You can sign up as a teacher if you want to use the resources and materials on the website with your class. And you can sign up as a parent if you want to monitor your child's progress. For this video, I am going to create a teacher profile. Enter your email address and enter a password. For safety reasons, we will have to contact you or your school to confirm your identity as a teacher, so make sure that the following information is correct. Enter your first name and your last name. And enter your phone number. It is very important that you include your phone number so that we can get into contact with you to confirm your identity as a teacher. Select your educational institution. Your school may already be in our database, so try searching for it here. If your school has already been entered, typing the first few letters of the school's name should be enough to show it in the search results. If you can't find your school, you can register your school on Yaclass by clicking Add a new educational organization. Select your region, enter your school's name, and the full address of your school. Our team will verify the school, and after verification, other teachers and pupils will be able to find and register in this school. Now select your subject. Choose the main subject you are teaching at your school. It will help us better to adapt the site to your needs. If your subject is not here at the moment, do not worry. Choose Other, and you will still be able to use the site. We are constantly improving the list of subjects available. If you want, you can add additional subjects, or just continue, as you can also add your subjects later after the registration. These checkboxes are here to control your privacy settings and to agree to the website's terms and conditions. If you check the Is a public profile box, any student or user who browses Yaclass and opens your school's public profile can see your name and surname in the list of the school's teachers. If you uncheck this, you will be shown as anonymous, and only other identified teachers in your school can see that you have a profile at this school. No confidential information is publicly shown to anyone either way. If you check the I want to receive emails about portal updates, you will receive email updates from Yaclass. We do not send advertisements, only useful information and updates for teachers about Yaclass. You can change this setting later in your profile settings. When you are logged in, you can find your profile settings here. The I agree with the portal rules must be checked in order to register. You can open and read the portal rules here and then continue with the registration. The I am not a robot is just a mandatory checkbox to prove to the system that you are a real human. It's just for site safety. When everything is ready, click on Register. If any information is missing or invalid, the site will automatically tell you what to fix in order to successfully complete the registration process. If the system says that this email address already exists, most likely you have already registered, and instead of sign up for free, you should click on Login on the home page. After you have clicked on the Register button, you will still need to verify your profile by email. So either click on the Gmail icon if you have Gmail, or open whichever email client you are using. You will receive an email from us with a link to confirm your registration. After you have confirmed your email address, you will see a message about teacher identification. Only identified teachers can gain access to teacher functionalities, personal data, and results of the students in a school. We will contact you through the phone number you provided, or you can contact us at info@yaclass.in to be identified. To continue using the site without accessing students' personal data, just click on Continue. In the meantime, while you wait to be identified, you can browse through our site's various sections, for example, Subjects, to check our content. You can also edit any information in your profile at any time by clicking on the Profile button on the left-hand side. I will now show you how to log into your profile after the registration. Press the Logout button on the left side. When opening Yaclass from the home page, use Login. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password link to send yourself a password reset link to your email. Enter your email and password and log in. And that's all for this video. In future videos, we will talk about how to add your students to your virtual Yaclass classroom, how to create digital test works, and other functions for teachers. Thank you very much for your attention.